This section that I'm doing is still in 9.3, but it's the applications. So in 9.3, there were two portions to it. One was the quadratic formula solving method, and the other one is the application problems. So let's go through some of them, and you're gonna need to practice. But most of these problems are things you've seen before. Okay, so let's turn to your book. This is found on page 418 of your textbook. So the first one I'm dealing with is number 38. So the question reads, can you find two consecutive positive odd integers, the sum of whose squares is 130? So first off, notice that you're looking for two numbers and you're looking for odd integers. So straight away you have the first and you have the second. So you can use it as x and x plus 2. So understand that the plus 2 is because of the skip from one odd integer to the next one. Take for example, if we are talking about 9 and the next one being 11, you notice the skip is 2. Okay, so the plus 2 is how much is the skip. So there are two numbers there, and bear in mind it's positive, because integers by itself means positive or negative, but here we want only the positive ones. Okay, so you are told that you have to square the numbers and then take the sum. So square the numbers and then add them, and you are told this result is 130. Okay, so this requires you to FOIL this. So I will have x squared plus 4x plus 4. That's by foiling x plus 2 times x plus 2. And so that gives you x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4, which is x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay, so that's this part. And when I combine like terms, I have 2x squared plus 4x plus 4 on one side equals 130. Now this is a nonlinear equation, so I need to have a 0 on one side. So I'm going to subtract 130 on both sides. So that gives me 2x squared plus 4x minus 126 is equal to 0. So a very powerful tool in factoring is to take out the GCF. So you have x squared plus 2x minus 63. So let's factor this, and I'll have x and x. 9 and 7 makes it 63. I need positive 9 and negative 7. So if you put each piece to 0, you notice 2 cannot be 0, so that's out of the question. And x plus 9 equals 0 tells you x is minus 9, and that's out of the question too, because you are talking about positive integers. And x minus 7 equals 0 tells you x is 7. Now bear in mind you're looking for two numbers. So x is 7 is one of the numbers. To get the second number, you're going to need x plus 2. So 7 plus 2 tells you is 9. So the two answers, so the numbers are 7 and 9. Okay, so those are your two numbers. Okay, for the next problem, let's try number 41. You are told that a ball is thrown upwards. The height h, measured in feet, attained by it as in the ball, being after being in air for t seconds follows the rule, and you're given h is equals to negative 16t squared plus 32t plus 50. So there's two questions to the number 41. First one is, from what height? From what height was the ball thrown upwards? So you are told the ball is thrown upwards. This is at the beginning of time, so this is when time is 0. So what this question is asking you is, what is h when t is 0? So when t is 0, h is equal to negative 16 times 0 squared plus 32 times 0 plus 50. So that's a 0, that's a 0, tells you h is 50. The unit is in feet, right there. So the ball was thrown from 50 feet. Measured in feet, attained by height. Okay, so 50 feet from the ground. Okay, second question. When will the ball be 30 feet above the ground? When will the ball be 30 feet above the ground? So what this question is asking you is, when will h be equals to 30? So all you have to do is put 30 as your h, equate to the equation given to you, which is negative 16t squared plus 32t plus 50. So this is a nonlinear equation, so I'm going to bring everything one side. So you have 30 plus 16t squared minus 32t minus 50 equals 0. Combining like terms gives me 16t squared minus 32t minus 20 equal 0. And I think we can factor out something. So let's take out a 4, giving me 4t squared minus 8t minus 5 is equal to 0. So let's try to factor that. So I have 2t and 2t, and I have 5 and I have 1. So this is a minus 10 and a positive 2. Okay, so what you have is 4 cannot be 0, but 2t minus 5 tells me 2t is 5, which means t is 5 over 2, or 2.5. 2t plus 1 equals 0 tells me 2t is minus 1, which means t is negative 1/2. Okay, that's nonsense because time cannot be negative. So what this is saying is that when will the ball be 30 feet above the ground? So the ball is 30 feet above the ground, 2.5 seconds after it's thrown. After it is thrown. Okay, let's try one more. Number 47. The hypotenuse. So you're told the hypotenuse of a right triangle is 10 centimeters. It is known that its sides are x and square root of 2x plus 1. Can you find the dimensions of the triangle? So the dimensions here is referring to all the sides. Okay, so we have a right triangle, and the only thing we know about the right triangle is that the hypotenuse is 10. The other two sides, we can call it x and 2x plus 1. And being a right triangle and all three sides, they have a relationship, and that's Pythagorean theorem. So using Pythagorean theorem, the two legs, that's your hypotenuse. So those are your two legs, x squared and 2x plus 1 all squared is equal to 10 squared. Okay, so that's your Pythagorean. So x squared plus grand square root cancels, leaving you with 2x plus 1, and that's a 100. So it being a nonlinear equation, I'm going to have to collect all the terms to one side. So subtract 100. So x squared plus 2x minus 99 is equal to 0. So 11 and 9. So what I have is x plus 11 and x minus 9. Okay, so that will do the trick. And what you're told is x plus 11 equals 0 means x is negative 11, and that's nonsense because x represents a length. So it cannot be negative. X minus 9 is 0 tells you x is 9. So you want to know all the sides. So you know one of the sides is 9. The other side is 2x plus 1. So it's going to be 2 times 9 plus 1, which is 18 plus 1, and that's the same as root 19. So what are the dimensions of the triangle? So dimensions of the triangle are 9 units is centimeters, root 19 centimeters, and 10 centimeters. So those are the three sides. Okay, so the problems that you have been doing are found on page 418. So you should try some of those problems over there, and if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to ask me.